has told flight crews to report any errors associated with 5G signals. Airline executives say other countries have found solutions. Officials believe it's time for the U.S. to do the same. So, how will this 5G service change, better yet, possibly interfere with airline travel in the coming weeks? Or will it? Let's bring in an expert to give us some clarity. We got cybersecurity and technology expert Burton Kelso. All right, Burton, so break it down for us. How will 5G service interfere with aircrafts?
Well, the problem is that 5G uses around the same signal as the altimeters that airlines use to navigate when there is adverse conditions. Now, the C band is close, but the airlines don't want to take a risk that 5G signals could interfere with the airplane's ability to land in adverse conditions. And what they're talking about as far as money is just the simple fact that the airplane would have to circle or redirect to another airport in adverse conditions rather than relying on the technology used for altimeters to judge if they can land safely at an airport.
So, Burton, who's to blame? Is it the FAA? Is it the airlines? I mean, they knew this was coming.
Right. I think you really can't place blame on anyone because obviously they've been doing tests and trials for the past year or so. So there's no blame to be placed, but I think a closer analysis was made towards the coming months that the end of 3G and the emergence of 5G is coming. So now we've got a scenario where US airlines are fighting with the FCC and with these mobile companies. Now, on the flip side of that, there are airline flights that have, or airlines across the world that have 5G connections in about, I would say, 40,000 airports globally. And there hasn't been any incident with the 5G interfering with the communication system on an airplane. So, to be honest, I'm a little perplexed as to what's going on with this whole debacle.
Yeah, so that brings me to my next question. You mentioned they've been testing this whole thing out for about a year. So why haven't they upgraded? I mean, they knew this was coming. If other countries are already using this type of service, it was only a matter of time before it came here.
Right. And it all boils down to money because the airlines could definitely update their guidance systems, but it's going to cost a lot of money to upgrade aircraft, with all the different companies out there. So that may be part of the problem is that the airlines are going to have to upgrade, but then obviously they don't want to put the money into upgrading their navigation system. So they're just asking these companies to hold off. And obviously, companies like AT&T, Verizon don't want to slow down that rollout because they want to get rid of using that old 3D check or 3G technology.
I mean, they got bailout money, Burton. Some would say they're making, they're making profit. Come on now. Does it really boil down to money, upgrading your system when you know that this 5G service is coming?
Well, I say money in the sense that the airlines don't want to spend it. I never meant to say that they didn't have it. We all know they've got the money, but it boils down to they just don't want to spend it at this time. And so they can save on profits and make their shareholders happy if they don't have to spend any additional cost to upgrade airlines to work with 5G.
All right, so how will this impact you and I, the average flyer?
Well, there's several ways that'll impact. So number one, if you were looking forward to 3G, you may be waiting a little bit longer. If you're an airline passenger and you're flying during the winter months and encounter adverse conditions, then you may have to circle around the airport or be diverted to another airport if are adverse conditions. And it's just a little inconvenience. Now, obviously, if you've got a connecting flight, it's going to be a big deal. But if you're just going to one destination, it's just a minor inconvenience of having to wait a little longer if your flight's diverted.
All right, I mean, you're the technology expert. How do you plan to maneuver around this whole thing while traveling, whether for business or for personal matters?
Uh, Drive, but seriously, I'll just go with the flow. I mean, obviously we haven't had any major winter storms yet, so if these things occur, then you just only thing you can go with the airline is just go with the flow. But right now, as far as the technology is concerned, airlines still have access to their communication systems to land in adverse conditions. It all depends on if AT&T and T and Verizon roll out their systems. And with them rolling out, they're rolling out slowly through the year of 2020. So I think it'll all come together. It just may take a little bit longer for the whole 5G rollout to occur.
All right, so pack your patience according to Burton Kelso. Burton, it's a pleasure, sir. Happy New Year. Thanks for stopping by.